Hey guys, so I'm Lily O'Reilly and this is Lily O'Reilly Reviews, and today we're doing something a little bit off the beaten path and actually reviewing a set of press-on nails. So let's get to that, huh? Okay, so part of being in the industry is needing to look pretty for shoots. So like this weekend, when I needed to shoot 2 whole days of content back to back, I knew that I needed to get a little bit of polish, but I didn't want to go to the extent of getting like a full set of gel or acrylic because A, that stuff's really expensive. B, it really wears down your natural nails, at least for me if I get a full set. When I eventually do get them taken off, my nails are usually peeling or they're cracked or they're just miserable underneath. And also, I use my hands too goddamn much to have nails all the time. So I was in the supermarket shopping around for other supplies for the shoot, and I ran into these. They're called Kiss brand Gel Fantasy Ready to Wear Press-On Nails. And I thought it was a load of bunk, but it was only like $12, so I went ahead and picked it up. Now, the way these work, they come in, pardon me, and this one's a wreck because I've been picking it apart to use it. So it comes in a little set with lots of nails. Each nail has its own individual size marker. I'll see if I can show you, but I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up. So, if you look on the tip of each nail, ooh, this is going to be interesting. Right there. Yes? No? Nope, the light's not going to cooperate. There it is, right there on the tip. You can barely see a Roman numeral 1. Anyway, each number on the tip has a sizer. And they range in size from like 0 to like 13. And the 13s are teeny tiny little nails. That clearly was not a 13. But there's a 12. 12s are tiny. They're like little pinky nails. And what you can do is there are 2 methods of application. They have these things that are like adhesive tabs that you can match using the number to the size of the nail, put between the nail and your finger, and press together. As you can tell by the fact that this is still pristine, I didn't use these. What I did was kind of the lazy version where they include super glue, cyanoacrylate. And I took a little super glue and you put a little bit on the back of the nail. You pick the nail that you want to wear it on, you put it on, press it down, hold it for 30 seconds, ta-da. And today was a really good day for me to do this review because I just lost one. So, this is the nail I was wearing. It still has a little bit of super glue on the bottom, as you can kind of see. And there's my nail, which is perfectly fine. It's in great condition. There's a little bit of super glue on it that's like crunchy, but it didn't damage my nail at all. These stayed on for 10 fucking clips and no damage. For $13, not to mention that these aren't damaged either. The nail caps are fine. So I'm just going to pop all the nail caps back into a little container so I have all the ones that I need for my fingers, and I'll just hang on to them. So for like $13, really, really good option for filming. Now the one caveat is, like in the very large, very thorough, very small printed instruction book, it does tell you, yeah, I know. It does tell you to take the included buffer cloth and like sand your natural nail down, wash your hands to make sure there's no oil on your nails, and use the little cuticle stick to push your cuticles back. That is if you want these things to stay on forever, or at least for longer than like a long weekend. I intentionally did none of that because I wanted the natural oils on my nails to cause the caps to lift off when they're ready to come off. I don't want to be fighting these to get them off later. So, I also did not push back my cuticles, which was fine. Like, it looks real enough. Shooting this shit on camera, you're definitely not going to notice that they're, like, fake. And, yeah, I mean, $10, not a bad deal. They look real enough. They stayed on well enough through outfit changes and all kinds of activities on film. And now I'm just kind of patiently waiting for them all to lift off so that I can have my hands back. So, yeah, absolutely can recommend, if you're good to your hands while you're using them, press-on nails are fucking great for filming, man. Like, they give you the look you need without committing to the cost, effort, and maintenance of acrylics. And I just need them to fall off so I can be functional again, because I've forgotten how to work around these. So, yeah, that's my spiel. All shit. And if you like what I do, if you find me useful, like, subscribe, leave me comments, share it with your friends. Yeah, that's all I got. I mean, yeah, I just tried to be helpful, and hopefully this is good for someone. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.